Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Walmart. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching the various ways to generate passive income through Walmart. Consider utilizing Walmart's online affiliate program. Sign up for the Walmart affiliate program on their website. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the program's guidelines and commission structure. Next, select a niche or product category that interests you and has a steady market demand. Create a blog or website focused on this niche to attract potential customers. Write informative and engaging content around the products you plan to promote. Incorporate affiliate links within your content to direct readers to Walmart's product pages. Use social media platforms to share your blog posts and increase visibility. Explore Walmart's drop shipping options if you prefer an inventory-free business model. Find reliable wholesalers who provide products available at Walmart and build partnerships. Set up an online storefront using platforms like Shopify to showcase your selected products. Optimize your website for search engines to drive organic traffic. Consider running paid ad campaigns on platforms like Google or Facebook to enhance reach. Continuously analyze your traffic and sales data to understand what's working. Adjust your marketing strategies based on data insights for optimal results. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions on your blog or social media. Stay updated with Walmart's promotions and seasonal sales to maximize affiliate opportunities. Encourage user-generated content by inviting customers to share their experiences with your products. Reinvest a portion of your earnings into your website and marketing efforts for future growth. Keep learning about the latest trends in passive income and e-commerce to stay competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.